Tonight, I want to share a very special story with you. A story whispered from generation to generation. A tale of love, courage, and a powerful truth we often forget, that real beauty lives in the heart, not the face. So get comfortable. Let's begin. In a quiet village surrounded by rolling hills and gentle rivers, there lived a humble farmer and his wife. Their greatest blessing was their daughter, Abena. Abena was beautiful, not just in appearance, but in spirit. Her smile felt like warm sunlight, and her kindness had a way of calming even the most troubled hearts. People loved her not because she was pretty, but because she cared. As Abena grew older, her beauty became well known. Young men came from nearby villages and distant towns, all hoping to marry her. But Abena gently turned them away. "I will marry only the best-looking man in the land," she said. "Someone strong, confident, and capable of loving me deeply." Her words traveled far enough to reach the dense forest beyond the village. Deep within that forest lived a powerful python, no ordinary creature. He possessed ancient magic, and the rare ability to transform into human form. When he heard about Abena, something stirred inside him. Not greed, not pride, but curiosity. Could someone truly see beyond appearances? Using his magic, the python transformed into a man, tall, handsome, charming. He named himself Kwaku. One bright morning, Kwaku walked into the village, heads turned. Whispers followed. Even Abena noticed. Kwaku was kind, helped farmers in the fields, played with children, and spoke with wisdom that felt different. Abena felt safe around him, drawn to him. Days became weeks, their bond deepened. Under moonlit skies, Kwaku shared stories of distant lands. He brought Abena flowers no one had ever seen before. Soon, the village believed this must be the man Abena was waiting for. One evening, Kwaku asked Abena to marry him. Conflicted, Abena turned to her parents. Her father smiled gently. "Follow your heart. Love is never simple." Her mother held her hand and said, "But remember, my child, eyes can be deceived. Always look deeper." That night, Abena dreamed. Soft voice whispered, "True love is revealed when masks fall away." The next morning, Abena faced Kwaku. "Before we marry," she said calmly, "I want to see who you truly are, without disguise." Silence fell. Bound by honesty and the power of love, Kwaku revealed his true form. A giant python stood where the man once was. The village panicked. Fear spread like wildfire. But Abena didn't run. She looked into the python's eyes and saw the same kindness, the same wisdom, the same gentle soul. That was when she understood. "I asked for the best-looking man," Abena said bravely, "but now I know. True beauty lives inside. I choose love. Choose truth." Her acceptance shattered the spell. The python transformed once more, this time permanently into Kwaku, fully human, fully real. Love had broken the curse. The wedding was filled with joy and wonder, and Abena and Kwaku lived a life built on trust, compassion, and honesty. Their story lived on, a reminder that appearances fade, but kindness endures. Because in the end, the strongest magic of all is love that sees the heart.